Electric pressure washers are a practical tool for homeowners who want to maintain decks, driveways, siding, and vehicles without renting or hiring specialists. The category typically pairs modest running costs with lower noise, lighter weight, and easier storage than gas-powered units. In this review, I tested 5 models spanning a budget option to a premium offering.
List number 1. Westinghouse EPX3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX3500 sits in the upper mid-range tier with 2500 max PSI and 1.76 GPM, plus an onboard 20-ounce soak tank and a pro-style extendable 17.5-inch wand with 5 quick connect nozzles: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap. It emphasizes anti-tipping design with 4 quick-lock wheels and a compact footprint at 21 pounds, making it easy to move and store. The inclusion of a 25-foot easy coil nylon hose and a 3-year limited service/parts warranty adds long-term value, especially for routine home cleaning tasks. Pros include a robust nozzle set, onboard soap, and stability features. Cons include moderate maximum PSI for heavy-duty tasks and a relatively light power path that may strain under stubborn surfaces. Performance-wise, the EPX3500 delivers 2500 max PSI with 2000 PSI deep cleaning water pressure and up to 1.76 GPM at minimum pressure, without a nozzle. The pump auto stops when the trigger is released, which helps extend motor life and save energy. In practice, this makes it well suited for decks, siding, and fences, as well as cars and patio furniture, where consistent, controlled cleaning is preferred. The 17.5-inch wand length provides comfortable reach for typical residential tasks, and the anti-tipping chassis improves stability on uneven surfaces. For maintenance.
List number 2. Pressure washer. LWQ presents a budget-conscious unit that claims up to 2.5 GPM with 4 metal spray nozzles, 0 and 15 degrees, 25 and 40 degrees, and a foam cannon, aiming to maximize cleaning efficiency while conserving water. It supports suction from both a faucet and a bucket, which adds flexibility for non-potable water sources. The machine emphasizes mobility with 2 rollers and an anti-tipping base, and a compact design with a 20-foot hose. Its weight is light at 16.6 pounds, suggesting easier carrying for shorter tasks. Note that price is not listed, which is common in cross-brand listings, but the feature set positions it as a value-focused alternative to entry-level Westinghouse units. Performance-wise, LWQ touts 2.5 GPM maximum flow with 4 metal nozzles designed for varied applications and a robust foam cannon to expand cleaning versatility, particularly for cars, driveways, and patios. The detergent bottle is designed so cleaners do not pass through the pump, reducing potential wear. The dual-source water intake, from faucet or bucket, is convenient for locations without ready access to external water. On the downside, the lack of PSI specifications in the listing makes it harder to gauge cleaning power against concrete or heavily soiled surfaces.
List number 3. Pressure washer. Power washer 4800 PSI max with Elaine Tools 4800 PSI max targets a higher cleaning capability with a claimed 4800 PSI and 4 nozzles plus a foam bottle, making it the most aggressive option on this list. It emphasizes auto-stop safety and a compact design for storage. With a relatively light weight, 15 pounds, and a 25-foot hose, it promises portability alongside stronger cleaning power, suited for more stubborn grime on driveways, siding, and decks. Practical performance depends on the interpretive PSI rating. With 4800 PSI, this unit should outperform many consumer-grade electric washers on concrete cleaning and paint removal tasks, though actual reliability hinges on the pump build and duty cycle. The inclusion of 4 nozzles plus an auto-stop safety feature enhances control and user confidence. Given the lack of explicit GPM specification in the listing, it's important to verify actual water flow during testing to ensure it meets typical residential needs. This model appears best for users who frequently encounter tougher cleaning jobs and need stronger blast power in a compact form.
List number 4. Westinghouse WPX 3000E Electric Pressure Washer. The WPX3000E is the premium Westinghouse model in this lineup, offering 3,000 max PSI and 1.76 GPM with an induction motor, onboard 0.45-gallon soap tank, and a 5-nozzle set, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, soap, and turbo. It features a heavy-duty steel frame, 12-inch profile, and 10-inch never-flat wheels, delivering ruggedness and stability. This unit leans into user-friendliness with onboard storage for accessories and compatibility with a wide ecosystem of Westinghouse accessories, including surface cleaners and undercarriage cleaners via M22 fittings. The 3-year limited warranty underscores its durability emphasis, making it an attractive option for those requiring more power with dependable support. Performance-wise, the WPX3000E pushes deeper cleaning with 3,000 max PSI and 2,600 rated PSI, maintaining a steady 1.76 GPM with a 1.1 rated GPM under load. The axial pump provides auto stop for efficiency.
List number 5. Westinghouse EPX3050 Electric Pressure Washer. The EPX3050 sits at the budget end of the Westinghouse lineup with 2,100 max PSI and 1.76 GPM, including a foam cannon for detergents and 2 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees plus an adjustable nozzle. It emphasizes compact design with a 26-inch profile and lightweight construction at 17 pounds, plus a 20-foot hose and 35-foot GFCI cord for convenience. The unit is backed by a 2-year limited warranty and lifetime technical support, giving buyers confidence in value-conscious purchasing. Performance-wise, the 2,100 max PSI and 1,800 rated PSI deliver solid everyday cleaning tasks on decks, fences, and siding, especially with the foam cannon to apply detergents efficiently. Auto stop reduces idle wear, and the compact dimensions make it easy to store in smaller spaces. While the power is less than premium Westinghouse models, the combination of price, weight, and included accessories makes this unit compelling for light to moderate cleaning jobs and first-time electric washer buyers.